Welcome to this guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to discover the clinic directory from BC Hearing Aids and make the process simple and stress-free. When it comes to hearing health, finding the right clinic is essential. BC Hearing Aids has created a directory that helps you easily connect with trusted clinics and providers who specialize in hearing care. Step 1. Visit the BC Hearing Aids website. On the homepage, you'll find a clear link to the clinic directory, making it easy to get started. Step 2. Use the search bar to enter your location or the type of service you need. The directory will instantly display nearby clinics that match your requirements. Step 3. Browse through the listings. Each clinic profile includes useful details like services offered, professional credentials, contact information, and sometimes even reviews from other patients. Step 4. Compare your options. The directory allows you to look at multiple clinics side by side so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 5. Connect directly. Once you've found the right clinic, you can call, email, or schedule an appointment online. It's designed to save you time and ensure you get the best care possible. With BC Hearing Aids' clinic directory, discovering the right provider for your hearing health has never been easier. In just a few minutes, you can move from searching to booking your appointment with confidence. Now you've learned the steps. Explore the clinic directory from BC Hearing Aids today and take your first step toward better hearing and overall wellness.